crying little.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle. Thank you guys so much for joining me to learn. Now listen, I had a completely different video planned. I'm not even gonna lie, I already shot it. I got the footage. I did this video and I was hyped, man, because I was looking at Instagram and I was looking at all the beautiful bold colors. So I ordered some pigments and they're gorgeous. I did my makeup, y'all. So I said self. My mirror's right here. Hi, Michelle. We're not doing that to ourselves. We're gonna upload a video that I had not planned on, but my Bold Hold Skin Protect came in the mail. So I was like, let me go ahead and try this again the right way. So I have this gorgeous wig and it's a bob and I'm really feeling short hair. I have to do something because I'm not gonna cut my hair. No, I'm not. A quick little mini update on my cleanse. I have been doing a water fast and my goal is to go for 21 days. I can't really remember what day I'm on right now, but I am down 15 pounds since April and 20 pounds since February. So I'm on my goal. I'm doing it. Okay, I went back to the gym. I was there for 2 days straight. And getting back into the swing of things with a 2-year-old who is potty training is difficult, and she's really doing well. So we're on a trial basis here. When we leave the house, she is wearing her training pants, but she's not wearing pull-ups. So they're a little thicker than regular underwear, and when she's home she wears underwear, and then, you know, so we have little accidents every now and then. But whatever, you guys aren't here to listen about my potty training rules. You guys are here to see this beautiful baby. You guys ready? Thank you! Oh, she's so gorgeous. I can't wait to try her on. I even did the stocking cap method all around my head, because sometimes I just don't even mess with the back, but I didn't know how that was gonna look with this short wig. I thought it was gonna tell all my business. She came with a pre-plucked hairline, but I plucked it a little bit more. And I tried to make my own lace tint. I was watching, I can't remember which YouTuber it was, but she had a DIY lace tint solution that she had made, and basically it's just water and hair color. So I got a bottle of Adore hair dye in the color honey brown, and that is just too golden for me. I didn't realize how red I was. Well, I don't even know what's my undertone, because I just get the colors that look good on my skin when it comes to foundation and something that blends in. But I thought I had golden undertones. I think I got red undertones. I don't know. So anyway, I'm just gonna cut this lace off and plop her on my head so you guys can see. That's good enough. So here is what she looks like cut, which means absolutely nothing until I put it on. But I just wanted to show you the inside. I put a little bit of my powder right here so it could blend in, since my lace tint was trash. And she doesn't have, oh, she does have a crown comb. Get out of here. She's got a crown comb and 2 temple combs, and it's really, really stretchy too. Nice and stretchy for big heads like me. And then a comb in the back, and then adjustable straps. But I'm just gonna plop her on and see. She does not have those that adjustable strap thingy on the inside, which I kind of like wigs that don't have that now, because sometimes it's hard to cut around the ear flaps when you have that on. But boom. Boom, 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 boom. She's cute. Okay, we're gonna put her on. Undo my wrap here. I'll pop her on. Now the wig that did not come looking like this. I bleached the knots a little bit more in the front. When I washed it, I left it outside to air dry. It just kind of flopped into this style. So this is what she looks like when she's just plopped on. And I'm gonna go ahead and start combing my hair back so I can put these clips on so I can adhere with my Bold Hold. What's going on? I'm gonna go ahead and clip this ear flap over here without cutting the hair. We're breaking all the rules. I'm in the kitchen doing things she like. So I have all my things that I need. I got my Bold Hold Skin Protect, and I have my Bold Hold Active. Before I do anything, I'm gonna clean up the perimeter with some Sea Breeze, because I kind of went crazy with that Fenty Sunstalker bronzer that I got. So now we're ready for the Skin Protect. And it says clean and dry the area thoroughly. Spray Bold Hold. This did come with a spray. I haven't used it yet though. Apply directly to the skin where you use the Bold Hold cream or tape. And you may do several coats. Alright, here you go. Use a thin layer. Maybe I put too much. Y'all, this stuff is already it's already on. Just want to make sure I'm not gluing down my edges. Wow, this stuff is on. It grips so tightly. Like I will never get over how fast this stuff grips and how wonderful. It's so quick. And they say it takes 24 hours for it to cure. So don't get it wet in that 24 hours. And baby, you ain't got to tell me twice. That's crazy. Oh, it's my hair. It's growing out of my scalp. What did we learn? Bold hold literally takes 20 seconds. This is such a cute cut hairstyle on accident too. I don't even, okay, so I guess I will flat iron it so it looks like the picture. I'm going to do something to the edges. I really don't know what I'm gonna do to them because they pretty much look good, but and I'm gonna go for it, guys. Alright, so for whatever reason, when I brought all my stuff in here, I did not bring my brush. So I just have this comb, and hopefully I can make it work with this, because this is a, I think it's 1.5 inches. That's good. If I bump it, it's gonna look crazy. Don't bump it, Michelle. So that's it. What do y'all think? Curls or no curls? This is a really cute, easy to dress up wig. Like if you put a little bit of curl on the top, it's very sophisticated. I liked it both ways. I liked it a little bit messy and air dried, and I liked it a little bit more sleek. Turn this off, because I be forgetting sometimes. Because you guys know me, I'm gonna add a little lift. Got myself in the face. So that's it, guys. Super simple, fun to play with, short wig. I love it. Y'all know I'm probably gonna be playing in this thing for an hour. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the video off. Thank you guys so much for supporting my channel, and I really do appreciate it. And just send some love in the comments. I'm gonna talk to y'all and miss y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll put all the information in the description box if you guys care about this face, what I put on, or the contacts that I'm wearing. The contacts that I'm wearing are, I think they're Queen Brown by TTDI, but I'll double check and make sure that I put the right link in the description box. And you can use my code to get a discount off your next purchase of contact lenses. And use my code if you're loving this hair and you're feeling it and you want to try it out yourself. And I will talk to you guys later. Thank you so much. Bye. Oh, look, check out my shirt. It says, fix your face before I fix it for you. Sometimes you just gotta have it on the shirt. That way you don't even have to open your mouth. Like it. No one can do it like you.